We here at Cranbourne Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Botanic people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
We also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
We welcome you to sign along with Ausland as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up for what's coming next.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Wrigley here doing the Principal's Report on behalf of Mr. Rolfe this week. Just like to say a very big welcome back to all of our students and families for what is sure to be another busy term. We hope you all had a wonderful, relaxing, safe, interesting, fun holiday and are ready to get into some learning for term 3. This week we had our Year 5 students on Timetable A head off on their camp down to Phillip Island, and I'd just like to say a very big thank you to all of the teachers and staff that gave up their own time to head on down to that camp and provide that wonderful opportunity for our students. I know, speaking to some of the Year 5s, they had a wonderful time, and the feedback from the camp, as always, was that our students were excellently behaved and were a pleasure to have. So congratulations to our Year 5 students. We have our Timetable B Year 5s heading off on camp in a couple of weeks. Next week, we also have our Year 6s heading off on their camp. So we wish them all the best and we can't wait to hear all about that when they return. I would like to make a big welcome to a few new staff members that we have starting with us this term. We have Mrs. Atchery and Mrs. Isai in the office, so once you come through the office, I'm sure you will come across them, so give them a big welcome. We also have Mrs. Gomez, who has commenced with us in 3R, Miss Draper, who has started with us in 5P, and Mr. Asufi, who is in Digitech with Miss Button. So a big welcome to all of those staff members, and we hope you enjoy your time here at Cranbourne Primary School. Well, have a wonderful week, everybody, and hopefully we will see Mr. Rolfe back here next week, and it will be his smiling face talking to you. Bye now.
this is how you do it. So you bring it up, then down, and you drag it along here to the other stick, and you keep on going until it looks like this.
That looks great. Thanks, Hassan.
Like this big, to this big.
Hang on, stand there. I'm going to get a photo of you, Rog. Show me, hold it up for me. Shireen, what are we doing here?
In art, we're doing art inspired by Picasso. So we used cardboard and other colors to create an abstract face. We also added some cardboard underneath the facial features to create a 3D effect. And we also outlined it so it looks like it's popping out.
Do you want to turn it around and show us? Looks great.
What?
Turn it around so we can see.
There.
Yeah, great colours there. There you go. Thanks, Shireen. Looks awesome.